In recent years, Mulal Chaudhary of the Janata Dal United JDU won the seat in 2015 and 2020. After his death in 2021, Rajiv Kumar Singh, also from JDU, won the by-election, continuing the party's hold over the seat. Tarapur is one of the 243 constituencies of the Bihar Legislative Assembly. It falls under the Jamui SC Lok Sabha constituency, along with 5 other assembly segments. Located in Munger district, Tarapur plays an important role in regional politics and has a history of strong caste-based electoral patterns. The Tarapur constituency comprises CD blocks Asarganj, Tarapur, Tedihabamber, and Sangrampur, along with Gram Panchayats Ramankabad West, Ramankabad East, Majayan, Murad, Gangada, Daryapur 1-2, and Kadgapur NA of the Kadgapur CD block. It is a general category seat and is dominated by the Kushwaha community, which has largely dictated the electoral outcomes here for decades. Veteran politician Shakuni Chaudhary, a Kushwaha leader, represented Tarapur 6 times, first winning as an independent in 1985. Before him, Thorni Prasad Singh, also from the Kushwaha caste, won the seat twice. In 2010, Nita Chaudhary of the Janata Dal United JDU defeated Shakuni Chaudhary. In 2015, Mulal Chaudhary, Nita's husband, won the seat, defeating Shakuni Chaudhary, who was then a candidate of Hindustani Awam Morcha HAM. Mulal Chaudhary was re-elected in 2020 but passed away in 2021, necessitating a by-election. In the 2021 by-poll, Rajiv Kumar Singh emerged victorious, continuing the trend of Kushwaha dominance in the region. The Special Intensive Revision SIR in Bihar is being implemented in accordance with the Election Commission of India's order before the Bihar Assembly Elections 2025. The objective of an intensified revision is to ensure that the names of all eligible citizens are included in the electoral roll so as to enable them to exercise their franchise. The last intensive revision in Bihar was conducted by the Commission in the year 2003. As per data from the Election Commission, there were 317,340 voters in the Tarapur constituency during the 2020 Assembly elections. Out of this, 171,393 were male and 145,939 were female voters. 8 voters belonged to the third gender. A total of 988 postal votes were cast in the constituency. The number of service voters in Tarapur in 2020 was 1,437, 1,378 men and 59 women. In 2015, the total number of voters in the Tarapur constituency was 289,179. Out of this, 155,970 voters were male, 133,200 were female, and 9 belonged to the third gender. There were 1,015 valid postal votes in the constituency. The number of service voters in Tarapur in 2015 was 228, 219 men and 9 women. The Election Commission of India (ECI) is expected to announce the poll date for the Tarapur constituency along with the schedule for the Bihar Assembly elections soon. The Election Commission of India (ECI) will announce the result date along with the schedule for the Bihar Assembly elections soon. All political parties are waiting for the official schedule of the Bihar Assembly election and haven't declared their candidates yet. In the 2020 Bihar Assembly elections, Mulal Chaudhary of the Janata Dal United JDU won the Tarapur seat with a margin of 7,225 votes. He polled 64,468 votes with a vote share of 36.93, defeating Divya Prakash of the Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD, who secured 57,243 votes, 32.80. The Lok Janshakti Party LJP candidate Meena Devi finished third with 11,264 votes, 6.45. Following Mulal Chaudhary's demise in 2021, a by-election was held in the constituency, where JDU's Rajiv Kumar Singh emerged victorious. He secured 79,090 votes, achieving a vote share of 46.62, an increase of nearly 10 percentage points from the previous JDU performance. He defeated RJD's Arun Kumar Saw, who polled 75,238 votes, 44.35. LJP's Kumar Chandan finished a distant third with 5,364 votes, 3.16. In the 2015 Bihar Assembly elections, Mulal Chaudhary of the Janata Dal United JDU won the Tarapur seat with a margin of 11,947 votes. He polled 66,411 votes with a vote share of 43.62. He defeated Sakuni Chaudhary of the Hindustani Awam Morcha Secular, who secured 54,464 votes, 35.77. Jharkhand Mukti Morcha JMM candidate Sanjay Kumar stood third with 5,017 votes, 3.30. 1977 Kaushalaya Devi Janata Party, 1980 Narayan Yadav Communist Party of India, 1985 Shakuni Chowdhury, Independent, 1990 Shakuni Chowdhury, Indian National Congress, 1995 Shakuni Chowdhury, Samtha Party, 1998 Parvati Devi, 2000 Shakuni Chowdhury Rashtriya Janata Dal, 2005 February Shakuni Chowdhury Rashtriya Janata Dal, 2005 October Shakuni Chowdhury Rashtriya Janata Dal, 2010 Neeta Chaudhary Janata Dal United, 2015 Mulal Chaudhary Janata Dal United, 2020 Mulal Chaudhary Janata Dal United, 2021 Bipol Rajiv Kumar Singh Janata Dal United. In 2020, the total number of valid votes polled in the Tarapur Assembly constituency was 173,013, or 55.08%. In 2015, the total number of valid votes polled in the assembly elections was 1,1.